Dear students, today we will discuss about getting started with Python. By now, you must have used several software packages to do a particular task. You must have observed that you cannot do anything beyond whatever the software is intended for. How about creating a software that will make the computer do what you want it to do? This can be done with the help of a program. Now, what is a program? A program is a set of instructions given to the computer to perform a particular task. Therefore, the scientists thought of building computer languages that are more English-like, independent of the hardware, and easier to learn. One such computer language is Python. Python is an easy to learn yet powerful object-oriented programming languages. We will discuss about the object-oriented features of Python in later section. It is very high-level language, easy to learn programming yet as powerful as many other high-level languages like C++, Java, PHP, etc. Although it is not perfect for every type of application, yet it has many strengths that make it a good choice for many situations. Let's see some advantages of the Python. Easy to use. Python is compact, very easy to use and very simple syntax rule. It is very high level language and programmer friendly. Expressive language. It is more capable to express the coder's purpose than any other programming language. Fewer lines of code, simple syntax. Interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language, not a compiled language. This means that the Python interprets and executes the code line by line at a time. It makes Python an easy to debug language and suitable for beginners to advanced users. Its completeness. All types of required functionality is available through various modules of Python standard library. You do not need to download and install additional libraries. Thus, it is also called Python follows batteries included philosophy. Cross-platform language. Python can run equally well on variety of its platform. Windows, Linux or Unix, Mac OS, supercomputers, smartphones, etc. Or in other words, Python is a portable language. Free and open source. Python language is freely available, that is without any cost, from www.python.org, and its source code is also available, that is it's open source also. Variety of uses and application. Python has evolved into a powerful, complete and useful language over these years. Python is being used in many fields applications, some of which are scripting, web applications, game development, system administrations, rapid prototyping, GUI programs, database applications, etc. Although Python is very powerful yet simple language with so many advantages, but it is not the perfect programming language. Let's see what are the disadvantages of Python. Not the fastest language. Python is an interpreted language, not a fully compiled one. Fully compiled languages are faster than interpreted languages. So Python is little weaker, though it offers faster development times, but execution times are not that fast compared to some compiled languages. Lesser libraries than C, Java, Perl. Python offers library support for almost all computing programs, but its library is still not competent with languages like C, Java, Perl, as they have larger collections available. Not strong on type binding. Python interpreter is not very strong on catching type mismatch issues. In Python, when you declare a variable, you don't need to mention the data type as other languages. Python decides the data type of that variable as per variable value. Now, if you declare a variable with integer value, Python makes it as integer variable. But later, if you store a string value in it, Python won't complain and converts the variable as string. Not easily convertible. Because of its lack of syntax, Python is an easy language to program in. But the disadvantage is when it comes to translating a program into other programming language. This is because most other languages have structured defined syntax, whereas Python use indented syntax. Now there are various types of Python distributions or editors. Before you start working in Python, you need to install Python in your computers. There are multiple Python distributions available today as Python IDLE, Spider IDE, PyCharm IDE, Thony. I personally prefer Thony as it's lightweight, easy to install and use, built-in Python 3, syntax error highlighted, debugger, code compilation, etc. Once you have Python installed on your computers, you are ready to work on it. You can work Python in two ways: interactive mode, also called the immediate mode, and the script mode.